first in first drop to whet my appetite, but couldn't satisfy my craving for beats rap tight like a Christmas gift. It's not the need of a generation.
Welcome to Japan. This is going to be a trip full of POV street photography, JDM shooting, and just exploring the Japan car scene in general. I've copped the IC Suica card, so we're now hopping on the train bound for Nagoya tonight.
Not twice in the gate, but preacher, so true knowledge of self, shine brighter than all for one. Pocket and polish, you better to hold the sum of the characters, carry over your role. 24 karat gold each day is a jewel case closed with the end credits roll. Self-representative and elected, yes I give the get, give back to the constituents.
I had an eventful morning shopping in Sakai, Nagoya. Went to the old Carhartt shop, copped some jeans. Now I'm here in these little side streets looking for Liberty Walk. I don't know how such a big workshop's going to be here, but apparently it is. I had a good look at both sides and it turns out unfortunately they're closed for the new year, but the Osaka store is open, so I'll check that out when I head up there tomorrow. But for the moment here they've got a 400Z wide body and an LC 500 on air suspension, absolutely sacked out, which looks sick. So I'll rip out the gimbal and get some shots anyways. That's a wrap from me out here at Liberty Walk, Nagoya. Some R35s that just leave me speechless really. So hopefully got some good footage from just the cars parked outside here. Just checked into my hotel here in Kaneyama, Nagoya City for one more night. I messaged a couple of guys on Instagram who are local photographers. Mikatake replied to me on DM and he said, listen brother, I'll come pick you up. We'll say there's a photographer from New Zealand coming over and we'll get a few JDM boys out and I'll show you what the scene's like here in Nagoya. Just rocked up to the bros meet out here at Nagoya Airport. It's got a good range out tonight. RX-7, RX-8, a couple of Silvias, a couple of Drift Boys, good old FL5, R34. But something in particular has caught my eye, this S15. So I've just yarned to the bro and suggested we take it out for a shoot after this. So I think he's pretty keen. So hopefully we can go and film a YouTube feature of this car on its own. It's absolutely static, mean fitment, fucking huge wing. Yeah, very nice build, very nice. I've made it from Nagoya back down here to Osaka and I've teed up another shoot for tonight. Sick shoot last night with those Silvias and I can't thank the bro enough for, helping me out arrange it and being the roller driver. But tonight's one is hopefully, all fingers crossed, we'll see what happens tonight, but tonight's shoot is hopefully R34 GT-R in blue and possibly a 33 and 34 as well. I'll be checking out one of Osaka's PA parking spots. So I've just got to catch up with the bro now and hopefully this shoot all comes together. There he is. It's fair to say this spot is probably the Daikoku of Osaka. We've got 34s, 33s and 32s, Supras, Silvias, Civics, any JDM car you can name it's probably rolled through this place tonight. I can't thank the bro enough again for bringing me out, but there's more shooting to be done. carbon Recaro interior. Detail on that is just gorgeous. Oh, sugoi. All the beautiful engine bays for you. RB26 of this 32. And of course, the 34 with butterfly doors. It's been a busy few days shooting JDM here in Osaka, so I thought for my final night I'll whip out the 85mm and just go and do some street POV. So I got the chest mount sorted and I think it's drizzling a wee bit, so conditions are looking good. Made it, Dotonbori. So a classic spot with the river running through the middle. Have been jamming the 85 G Master. Probably going to switch over to the 35. Just bring out the 35 just to get a bit of a wider angle. Still got the polarizer on it from last night's car shoot, so I'll take that off. It's perfectly difficult.